Beach Coaching and Consulting. I want to talk with you today about teamwork and collaboration. There's nothing more important than teamwork when a company gets to becoming mid-sized. Absolutely nothing. Teamwork gives people a strong sense of connection and belonging to something big, something larger than life, something that matters. Frankly, when we're connected and we're feeling that sense of belonging, it helps people around us to do their very best work. And the impact of that will ripple outward beyond your wildest imagination. So my advice to you is to focus on teamwork and to teach your team how to collaborate and win together. See you next time.